The AC unit will only work with a large enough external power source. Typically a 30 or 50 amp plug is what's required, but sometimes it will work on 110 or 15 amp. The first step is to plug the RV power cable into your power source. The AC unit is turned off and on from a digital panel or from plastic dials directly on the air conditioning unit, which will likely be on the ceiling. Follow the indicators on the corresponding control system. Please note, when the AC is running, the breakers will be susceptible to popping, especially if there is additional draw at the same time.